In this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to generate leads on LinkedIn and how to even convert them into new customers as well. And that's coming up right now. So here we are on my LinkedIn profile, Mark Warnkin. So first tip that I have for everyone to start dominating on here on LinkedIn and generating leads and make sales. The first tip I have for everyone is to set up and optimize your profile for success. Now, you might be thinking, Mark, how is that going to benefit me? Well, LinkedIn is a business networking site, and people come here to find information, to connect with people, and to actually do business. And you really want to stop the scroll, and you want to stop the scroll by having an eye-catching LinkedIn profile. And I know from examples, people message me all the time. They message me directly because my profile is very clear, I like to think, making social media for business owners easy, social media trainer, speaker, expert, that type of thing. So by setting up and optimizing your LinkedIn profile for success, you will be amazed at what actually happens. People will reach out and start requesting more information or actually wanting to buy your products and services if you have a simple click here to buy now button. But there are some things that we can do to actually maximize our profile and optimize it for success. And the first one is your banner, your cover image. Don't just put the local image of your city skyline or your last holiday photo. Include something that's unique with a benefit statement, just like I have here. Include your company logo or a picture of yourself. Now, you probably want to include a picture of yourself, because your LinkedIn profile is all about you. You're then wanting to fill in this here, your professional headline area here. You do get limited with your character spaces here. Include industry keywords, include a benefit statement on who you are and how you help, that type of thing. You want to take advantage of having your voice activation feature here. See this little speaker here that I have activated there, so people can click on that, and I've actually taken advantage of that by say, hello everyone, Mark Warnkin here, XYZ, and there is a call to action as well. You're also wanting to have your contact information listed here. I cannot tell you how many profiles I go on and people don't have any contact information. Don't make it difficult for people to reach out and contact you, because some people are here to actually buy. Some people are here to start the sales process. They want to open up the lines of communication. They want to reach out to you and they want to get the ball rolling. So make sure you have your contact information as well. And if we scroll down a little bit further, the About section, you want to make sure that is fully optimized. It used to be called the Summary section. It's the About section. You get 2,000 character spaces here to really go into a little bit more detail. Who you are, what you do, how you help. But it's not a chest beating exercise saying all about you and how good you are. I think the mix should be about maybe the top 20, 25% about your skills and expertise, but then it's all about how you can help others. I'm directing people, say, contact me for in-house training, one-to-one, guest speaking, that type of thing. So by utilizing, asking questions, are you struggling to work out XYZ in your business? This particular statement saying, I solve this, is another great way that you can be doing that. So you're wanting to be setting up and optimizing your profile. You wanted to add some featured information here, like I have done with my YouTube videos, or you might have some marketing links. And then you want to go back through all of your experience, that type of thing, license certifications, any volunteering skills, and business recommendations as well. I can almost guarantee you, if you're not getting much benefit out of LinkedIn, the number one reason I find out is the reason that is because people haven't set up and optimized their profile for success. And because when someone lands on your profile, if they don't like what they see within a matter of seconds, they're going to click off or scroll on and the opportunity will be lost. So tip number 2 is all about being social here on LinkedIn. That's right, LinkedIn is a social media platform. So I want you to be active and liking and commenting and sharing and posting your own information. Think of it like a networking meeting. We wouldn't go to a networking luncheon and stand in the corner and not talk to anyone. It's the same here on LinkedIn. Social media and LinkedIn is all about visibility. Visibility equals credibility. equals profitability. So on a daily basis, allocate some time, first up of the morning, last up of a day, or in your lunch break, or allocate some time where you're engaging with your audience. You're liking, you're commenting, you're sharing, you're engaging with the business network community that LinkedIn is all about. And the biggest part of being active and engaging on LinkedIn is to be posting information yourself. Again, think of a local community networking event. If you never got up and stood up and spoke to people, you're almost invisible. So I was a bit active this morning. I posted 3 or 4 particular posts. This was just a particular video that I shared from Anthony, but I shared it to my timeline. It's had 591 impressions. So again, it's leaving behind a calling card that Mark is active here on LinkedIn. And remember, when people hover over my profile and they see who I am, that's when the magic happens. This particular post I did was a YouTube video link that I posted. Yes, you can actually add YouTube links to your LinkedIn profile. This was just on a particular video on why the watch time on one of my videos tripled. This was another particular video that I shared and posted information about, but this one I didn't actually include the link here in the post. This one I included the link down below here in the comments. So there's various ways we can post. And this was a third post that I did with a video. This was a native video that I uploaded. So the video doesn't have any YouTube links, that type of thing. So by liking and commenting and sharing and posting information, you will be amazed with what happens. And you can post by just adding a simple image and some text. A video like I've explained, you can create a LinkedIn event. That's what I've just clicked on this button and create a LinkedIn event. I've actually got information on how to do that exactly. So I will include the link to that in the description below, but create a LinkedIn event, even write an article, that type of thing. So an article here on LinkedIn is like a long form blog post. So LinkedIn has its own blogging platform within the LinkedIn, I suppose, functionality. And lastly, you might even want to create a poll here on LinkedIn. That's right, poll your audience, ask questions, get instant feedback. You will be amazed at how quickly people will start responding to, information that you post out. Remembering, people aren't here like Instagram where we're just wasting, 5 minutes, 20 minutes, 50 minutes, or an hour scrolling through endlessly. It is a business platform. So by just being active on LinkedIn, and if you've got an optimized profile for success, you'll then be amazed at what happened. People will start reaching out to you. People will start networking to you. People will start phone calling you, emailing you, or even sending you a direct message saying, hey, Roger, hey, Monica, hi, Nicole, hi, Mark. I saw you on LinkedIn. I think there's an opportunity for us to work together, or I think there's an opportunity for us to benefit for each other. Let's have a chat, that type of thing. Now, the third tip that I have for you to start dominating on here on LinkedIn to generate leads and even to make sales is this is one thing I want you to do every day without fail. I want you to go over here onto the left-hand side and click on who's viewed your profile. That's right, LinkedIn have this amazing functionality that will actually show you who has actually viewed your profile. So I've actually just opted out for a reason on my premium, and when I have premium, it gives me an endless list of people who have viewed my profile. If you're not a premium account, it only just shows you the last half a dozen, that type of thing. But the reason I want you to do this is these people here, leaving behind their calling card of their own name and profile, Jade Marie, Claire, someone at Comerford Tech Seating, and Car Yi Lee, they've viewed my profile for some reason. So it's an opportunity for me to then reach out to these particular people and say, go back to Jade's profile and have a look at it and say, hey, Jade, I noticed you viewed my LinkedIn profile. Is there anything that I can help you with? I'm a first level connection here with Jade. I can send her a direct message for free. Jade has viewed me for some reason. Let's have a quick look at Jade's optimized profile, attract an audience, intentionally building audiences there. Okay, so I like what she's done. I'm really not quite sure specifically, but at least she's ahead of nearly everyone else. But Jade has viewed my profile for some reason. This is an opportunity for me to reach out to her, send her a message. Hi, Jade. How can we help you? How can I help you? Or I noticed you viewed my profile. Let's have a chat. She's viewed it for some reason. So as I said, I want you to do that at least once a day. People have viewed you for some reason, and quite often there is a business opportunity just waiting to be happened. And also, as part of tip number 3 is I want you to use the LinkedIn search function. That's right. The LinkedIn search function makes invisible become visible, because LinkedIn is a giant database. That's right. It's a giant database and a search engine. Hundreds of millions of people around the world have gone to the time and effort to load themselves onto LinkedIn, to create a profile, to put it online and say, hey, we are here for business networking. So if you just utilize the LinkedIn search function, and I've got the job title here of Office Manager, and I utilize some filters, and let me click on filter for Greater Sydney. I can then utilize some extra filters for company size and things like that. It literally will provide you with endless leads. Literally in the tens of thousands of people, in some instances, are your ideal customers, just waiting for you to find them or for them to find you. Kim, she's the office manager in wealth management. Julianne is the office manager here in Greater Sydney. Nicole, office manager at Masons. Georgia O'Connor, Jennifer Staines, Mary, Karen, Sarah, Jake, that type of thing. Hopefully you're getting the idea. Invisible has become visible. And once you find your ideal people that you would like to do business with, that you would like to reach out and connect with here on LinkedIn, again, think of it just like a business networking meeting. If we were all standing in the same room, Felicity, Craig, Suzanne, John, if we were all standing, Melissa, Simone, Susan, Kylie, Alexandria, if we were all standing in the same room at a business networking function, and there is an opportunity for us to say hello, because who knows where that may unfold, we would take that advantage. That's right. We need to take that same advantage here on LinkedIn, and I can guarantee you, if you can reach out to 5 people a day, 10 people a day, as many people as you can a day here on LinkedIn, I guarantee you, if you start doing that as part of your daily routine of doing business, like answering the phones, responding to emails, you will be absolutely amazed at the opportunities that start to flow and open up for yourself and the other person. So there we go, 3 simple things that we can all be doing here on LinkedIn to stand out, to generate leads, and equally make sales. Go to the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know there's some things that you're doing as well, because I would love to learn. And while you're there, don't forget to connect with me here on LinkedIn. And if you're watching this video on my YouTube channel or Facebook, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well.